I was recently asked about how to do the smoke alarm and heat detector circuit, so let's quickly take a look at that. So looking at our old lighting diagram, so one of the ways to do it is feed your smoke alarm and heat detectors off the lighting circuit. So in this case we've got the power coming in to the first light, then we could loop off that, put a smoke down there, smoke, and so on and so forth. That's not the best practice to do it, because obviously if you have a problem with your light, you lose your smoke and heat detectors to the house. So the best way to do it, right, back to a slightly pilfered floor plan. So as we know, we've got our consumer unit under the stairs. Now we want a smoke alarm at the top of the stairs. So running from the consumer unit under the stairs on its own dedicated RCBO, we have a 2-core power cable coming up from the consumer unit to the first smoke detector. And that would be 2-core twin and earth. Now then, from the smoke detector at the top of the stairs, kind of move downstairs a little bit, we want a smoke detector at the bottom of the stairs, and we'll also want a heat detector in the kitchen. Obviously you don't put a smoke detector in the kitchen because every time you cook it'll go off. So we've gone up into the loft to put the smoke on the ceiling. In our case we're going up and down this wall here. So we're now back down, and to get the heat in the kitchen, obviously we're under the bedroom floor, and this will be 3-core. So it's alive to power it, and then an extra cable to interlink it. And then we will come this way, and that'll be the smoke in the ceiling for the living room. So it's a very, very simple circuit. 2-core to the first detector, in this case a smoke. And then you want 3-core from then on in, because that interlinks the system. So if this detects smoke, this one goes off, vice versa. This detects smoke, these go off, and obviously if you've got heat detection in the kitchen, the 2 smoke alarms sound too. And that's the best way to do it. A dedicated circuit, it's just a straightforward radial, super simple. So when it comes to positioning of your detectors, you want smoke at the top of the stairs, you want smoke at the bottom of the stairs, so obviously this will be downstairs, and you want a heat detector in the kitchen. Obviously not a smoke in the kitchen, or it'll be going off every time you cook. So typically for a 2-story house, you'd have 3 alarms. Smoke for each floor and a heat in the kitchen. So it's a typical system of 2-bed house is a smoke detector for every floor and a heat for the kitchen. So if you're going into the loft, you'd have a 3rd smoke alarm for that level of the house too. Well, I hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.